Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a dedicated group calendar so events don't clutter personal schedules. Open Google Calendar, select Add Create, name it, and pick the correct time zone. This prevents recurring time errors. Next, immediately share with participants using their email addresses and choose permissions. Give organizers full manage rights and participants either make changes or view only. Once done, check that every invitee accepted the share, so you can start adding events and avoid visibility gaps. Now schedule smartly by comparing availability. Open the calendar and create an event, add all guests, then use Find a Time or Suggested Times to view everyone's free blocks. This reduces back and forth. Add a clear title, location, or video link, and attach the agenda or documents so attendees arrive prepared. Make sure to set the correct time zone for remote teams and choose busy so calendars block the slot. Finally, add 1 or 2 notifications to prompt reminders before start. To finalize, monitor RSVP and send updates when details change. You can message guests directly from the event. For recurring or similar meetings, duplicate the event and adjust times instead of recreating from scratch. This keeps history intact. If conflicts arise, propose alternative times with poll or create a separate tentative slot to capture interest. Troubleshooting tip: if someone can't see events, verify calendar sharing, correct email addresses, and that the calendar is toggled on in their list. Most visibility issues are these simple fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.